Okay, so still in Madrid. I'm trying to find, I think it's called Templo De Debod. Again, my pronunciation might be off. Oh, cuidado, cuidado, careful. So I think if everything's the way it should be, then there should be a park area here. And it's in the middle of the park. Now this is, it's not really a statue, but it's stones that were given to Spain from Egypt. Okay. So I don't really know too much about the place aside from what I've told you, but it seems like a pretty cool place to come and see. Some people say it's the best spot in the world to watch the sun go down. Unfortunately there's no sun today, but I thought it'd be cool to see anyway. Might remember this from my video from yesterday, going over the cable cars and seeing like a circus there. Okay, this is allowing me to get better bearings. I think we need to be over here if I'm seeing what I think I'm seeing. Now, what do you think, guys? This is a nice area, huh? It's a shame I've only have like 1.5 days in Madrid, because it definitely feels like an interesting city that I'd like to explore more. Just going to have a look down here quickly because it looks like a good viewpoint. Oh, yeah, that's quite the view, huh? So I do remember seeing some of this on the cable car. The view's actually a little better over here, looking over in that distance, I think. Wow, is this a queue to get in? You can imagine in the summer this is a beautiful spot to be, huh? You know, absolutely beautiful. Just checking I'm recording there, guys. Nothing worse than doing a 25-minute video to find out that you have nothing. What's going on here? While there's a queue, so you can actually go inside there, can you? Looks like it's a doorway. Hi guys, although there was a queue of visitors on this day, entrance was not permitted, so they were not allowing people inside the tomb. So I'll put some more information on this, but these were a gift from Egypt to Spain for a specific reason. Have a walk around, see what's happening. So the Temple of Debod is an Egyptian temple dating back to the 2nd century BC. It was transported to Madrid's Cartel de la Montaña Park. That's right, Madrid's Cartel de la Montaña Park. The temple was donated to Spain by the Egyptian government to save it from floods during the construction of the Great Aswan Dam. Okay, let's try from this way around. Works on the temple began at the beginning of the 2nd century BC at the orders of the Moro king Ejalamani, who built a chapel dedicated to the god Amun and the goddess Isis. The chapel was decorated with high reliefs. Subsequent kings of the Ptolemaic dynasty built new rooms around the original core, thereby enlarging the temple. After Egypt was annexed by the Roman Empire, the emperors Augustus and Tiberius, and possibly Hadrian, finished off the construction and decoration of the building. A little bouncy dog.
Ya no hay más, vaya para donde la mamá.
A little bouncy dog.
Ya no hay más, vaya para donde la mamá.
That's right. That's you told. I'm curious as to what's inside. When I post this video, I'll be more aware because I'll have done more research. Oh. So nobody's allowed to stand on the stone, apparently. It was two Chinese girls that actually started walking over it. Okay. So nowhere else would I see something like this without it cordoned off with a fence or something. It's nice to see like this though. Templo De Debod. Tuesday to Sunday, 10 till 8 p.m. 30 visitors at a time. You're not allowed to visit for more than 30 minutes at a time. Makes it kind of easy to remember if you work here. 30 people after 30 minutes outside, afuera. Okay.
Lo que pasa es que tiene unos puntos raros, porque a lo mejor te dice una cosa al principio, hace esa cosita.
Is this an exit?
Pero
Tengo una foto preciosa.
Okay, well that's about it guys. Unfortunately I'm not going to go in. The inside of the monument is currently closed to visitors, although you can still walk along the walkway during the temple opening hours. As I said, I'm not really sure what's inside, but I don't want to waste an hour because the light's going down, so I want to see what else I can video within that time. And it's my last night in Madrid as well. So I want to just be more productive in my time, really. So yeah. Have a great day. Bye.